Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Moral Story. So today we are going to tell you the story of Loli Worm's birthday. It was Loli's birthday. Mother cat was going to bake a birthday cake. Father was going to town to buy some eggs for the cake and some candles to put on it, and maybe a few other things as well. Be careful you don't break the eggs, said Mother Cat. Father Cat stopped at the hardware store to buy some birthday candles. He left the car motor running. You know better than to do that, Father Cat. Now see what happened. The car drove off all by itself. I don't think Loli knows how to drive. Anyway, he certainly doesn't have a driver's license. The car headed off the supermarket to get the eggs for Loli's birthday cake. As it went to pass the egg counter, Loli picked up some fresh eggs. Father Cat had to pay the cashier for them. Look, kids. All the shops and stalls are grumbled up. There are so many people who are scared. Look at the funny things. Look, and a grocer who is cutting meat, he is also scared. And look at this cat. He is still chasing. And look at this cat. He is inside a pickles box. And tell who is the owner of egg shop? Here. He is hiding behind the egg stall. And look at this Owlie the bird. He is hiding under he is hiding under the cheese stall and other groceries. And look at this Matilda, the hippopotamus. She is running at the raccoon. The fox is still closing the ear. Look at this. Such a funny thing. Do you see, guys? And write in comments, did you have found it funny or not? Then let's go next. They drove out through the back door of the supermarket. They passed Mr. Fix-It, who was fixing a broken traffic light. Hurry up, Mr. Fix-It, before there is a bad accident. Look at this. He's fixing the traffic light. Without the stairs, is fallen down. Already down. And look at the garbage truck who is gathering all the way to this banana gorilla who is littering all the way. And the little mouse is saying, "Don't be a little bug." So come to next page. But where is Father Cat? Oh, there he is. He has just brought some balloons and favors at the party shop. Hang on those eggs, Loli, and don't break any. Yeah. Through Farmer Alfalfa's hayfield, they went. I don't think Farmer Alfalfa liked that, but then it was Car's fault. No one was steering it. It was going automatically. Father Cat was still chasing after them. He stopped for a moment in order to buy some of Mrs. Alfalfa's delicious fresh strawberries. Look at this. Here is the cat. Here is Father Cat, and here is Mrs. Alfalfa. And look, Here there is farmer alfalfa and there are chickens who is helping for farmer alfalfa. Look at this cock. Look at this cock. And 3 babysitters. They are not concentrating in this thing. Next page. At last, they all came to a stop in Mother's cat kitchen. Mother cat's kitchen. My baby, my Loli. Loli hadn't broken a single egg. Mother cat baked a huge birthday cake, and guess who had the first bite? It was Loli's most exciting birthday ever. Happy birthday, dear Loli! Happy birthday to you! Look at here is a huge cake with full of strawberries, and here is Loli. And all the characters of the stories which I had shared with you, they are all invited instead of Pirate the Mouse. Look at this mouse angry mood. Look. He is very angry, and all of them, the characters are invited. This is Huckle the cat, and this is her sister. This is Daddy cat and Mummy cat, and this is Tanglefoot. And both three are Harry. This is Sally, and this is Father cat and Uncle Willy. And this is Roger Rhino. And these 3 are firemen. So friends, write in comments how do you found our story. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell and press the like button. So today we are starting with new words. What is the meaning of mercy? The meaning of mercy is a kind or forgiving attitude towards that you have the power to harm. What is the meaning of litterbug? A meaning of litterbug is a person who leaves litter in public place. So friends, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell and press the like button. Bye.